Everybody, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, once again, welcome to my new video. And friends, I am an English learner. So, friends, in today's video, I am going to talk about we must change our mindset. In this video, I have chosen a topic, and according to me, that is not any topic. That is a concern, that is a problem of all the villagers, of all the people of that is the problem of all uneducated person. In today's video I have a topic, and life that is our life related from our thoughts. This is the kind of a topic that I have created for my all viewers, for all my villager. I want to change this kind of mindset. Something is bothering me, really. Something is bothering me. Because of that, I'm here to share that things, and I wanna change this kind of mindset. So if you wanna know what are the things that is bothering me, so please watch this video until it ends. Because from this video, guys, you will not learn how to learn English, but you will learn how to live life. You will learn how to handle the situation. You will learn how to overcome the obstacle. In this age of 23, I have realized these all things. I know people. I can understand people only by looking them. So I have this kind of experience that I'm going to share with all of you. So please be with me until it ends, because friends, please listen to me. I'm a village girl. Okay, so friends, if I talk about why I have chosen this topic, why I want to talk about villagers mindset, why I want to talk about our life, because friends, I have a teacher in my school, and that is in 22 years. But friends, they are getting married, and what about their dreams? What about their own life? Because of their family members, they wanna get married. What about their dreams? Only because of some people, they are able to forget their dreams. It is really bothering me that in in village area, people do not think about their dreams. People only think about their marriage life, or only thinks about their marriage life with someone else, only about their children's. They must think about their self. Their parents is bothering them to get married. She does not want to get married, but their family members forcing them that you are elder one in this family, so you must get married soon. And what about their dreams? And it is not the problem only of parents, it is the problem of their children's also. Because I have seen so many girls and boys that they're not able to control their emotions. They're not able to control their mindset, and they go in wrong way. They talk with each other, and because of that, their parents have to think about that. Okay, so somewhere it is not wrong. Somewhere their parents are doing right things, because their children are not able to make them feel that yes, they have ability to do something, but they are not able to make them believe that they have something. They are doing their own work. They are doing their, I mean, they are not able to control their self. So their parents must be take action for these things. I'm not talking about these things, but somewhere parents are forcing their children to get married soon, and even their children does not want to do this. So according to my opinion, I think that it's wrong. We must think, in our life, if we are not living our life as we want, so what is the meaning of our life? We have our own life. I always say that please think about yourself. Think about your life, because no one can give you life. You have to live your life by yourself. No give you anything. Nobody can give you happiness if you wanna live life with happy. So you must understand your life. You don't need to do work according to other people. You don't need to work according to other people. You don't need to give your happiness cash of another people. Are you able to understand my points? I know somewhere I'm making mistake, but yes, I think that I'm able to convey my thoughts in English. Okay? So, these things is bothering me, guys, that children does not want to get married, but their parents are forcing them. Why? Because of dowry system, because it may be because of generation, it may be because of their neighbors, it may be because of their people's thought, it may be because of anything, it may be because of the thoughts of their neighbors, their villager, what other people will say about me, that I have three children and those are girls, so I will have to give dowry. Change this kind of mindset, please. If you are any parent, so please change this. Instead of saving money for their dowry, just to save money for their education. Give them education, give them talent, give them ability to make, and give them a mirror. In that mirror they could see their self, that who am I and what can I do. So please make them believe that they have to do something, at least for yourself. Don't think about married life. Don't think about your ahead life. Just think that will you do? What is you? Who are you? What are you? Make them realize these all things. If you are not able to make them realize like this, so please stop your mouth and just them do what they are doing, but in not wrong way. Okay. So my main motive was that please do not force your children to do anything. They are aware what to do or what not to do. Okay, if you are supporting them whatever they are doing, so you are just a pranam. I i can say that you are very lucky parents, that you have children. And if you are any children, if your parents are supporting you, so you are very lucky children. So proud of yourself that yes, I have this parent, that these are supporting me, so I must give them something, just to feel this kind of things. Okay guys, so I hope that you got something from this video, and I'm not sure that you will learn English language from this video, but I am sure that if you have listened to me carefully, so definitely you will learn more than English language. Okay, so friends, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Keep learning, keep focusing. Have a great day. Okay.